The best days of an adventurer's life are mostly the ones that start and end outdoors, backpacking and hiking their way like there's no tomorrow. Good food adds to these adventures, and it tastes best when cooked on an open fire with a top-quality camping cooking set. The design, material, weight, size and portability of these sets significantly differ from those in your home kitchen. They are vacuum-insulated utensils that keep your cooked soup and savories warm, just like your love for your friends and family. Finding a cooking set with all bells and whistles is almost as much a gritty business as camping itself. To ease the process, we analyzed dozens of finest camping cooking sets of 2023 against stringent criteria and picked the ideal options that will survive the hardships of travel and wood fire. These picks ensure you enjoy outdoor cooking while your soul is out in the wild. Number 1. Odorland Camping Cooking Set. Odorland's Mess Kit is a complete cooking set that has 22 pieces and includes aluminum pots and stainless steel crockery for 4 people and weighs only 4.5 pounds. Aluminum pots can be put directly on an open fire for quick cooking or can be hung over it for slow-cook recipes. They are safe to use on gas kits as well as on wood fires. All the pots and pieces are non-stick for easy cooking and cleaning. The pot handles are foldable, so you can save space in your storage for your other camping gear. Each piece has a non-stick Teflon coating for easy cleaning and durability. It conducts heat quickly and is a must-have survival gear that built to last for a long time. This camping cooking set is the best overall among our picks because of the durable and non-stick material, lightweight aluminum body and packable design. It conducts heat quickly and saves time, energy and fuel, the most vital aspects to take care of during camping or hiking trips. Number 2. Bulin Camping Cooking Set. Bulin's camping cooking set is about convenient portability as it weighs only 3 pounds, collapses into an 88-ounce pot and fits in a backpack. Made with hard anodized aluminum, the pots have excellent heat conductivity and are rust-resistant. This cooking set can be carried around in any weather because it is corrosion-resistant and can also work on high heat. It has 2 pots, a frying pan and a kettle, all made using non-toxic aluminum material with a non-stick coating. The cooking pots and kettle can be hung on the open fire for cooking delicious savories or soups. Collapsible bundle design lets your camping cookware nest together and save a lot of space in your backpack. All the objects in this camping kitchen accessories can be stored together in a mesh bag for convenient carry. The cookware set can be hung over the open fire. Perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, picnic, etc. Since we do not use chemical layers, the ability of non-stick is limited. For some easily sticky ingredients, please try not to cook directly without oil. Number 3. Overmont Camping Cooking Set. Overmont's portable cookware is a high-quality budget pick for 1 to 3 persons. It is made corrosion and wear-resistant with anodic oxidation of aluminum. The food-grade aluminum used in making the utensils has a protective, non-stick layer. This camping cooking set can be easily carried on long hiking because of its ultralight weight, making it the perfect personal cookware for outdoor enthusiasts. Made by anodic oxidation process, the aluminum metal has a stable protective layer on the surface, easy to clean. Easy to store, equipped with a mesh bag, all of this pot and pan can be well packed in. Number 4. Stanley Camping Cooking Set. Base Camp Cook Set by Stanley is built for the toughest and coldest demands of group hiking and camping trips. Its 21 components are made using 18/8 stainless steel that is durable, long-lasting, scratch-proof and rust-proof qualities. There is no high maintenance required to keep this cookware safe for years, you just need to wash it to keep it clean. It includes pots, pans, bowls, spoons and sporks for a group of 4. All the pots have vacuum insulation that keeps the food warm even on chilly mountain tops. An ideal choice for hikers aiming to reach a base camp because this camping cooking set is made to survive the -70°F blizzards. This comes fully loaded with 21 different pieces that can cook meals for small or large groups without taking up too much space. The kit all nests together. Instructions are engraved in the lid, making this compact and easy to transport. Number 5. Malomi Camping Cooking Set. Malomi Camping Cooking Set is made for budget-conscious outdoor enthusiasts. It is available in 3 sizes ranging from 34 to 101 ounces. This cook set is perfect to meet the cooking needs of 1 to 3 persons, depending on the size. It can be easily stored in a backpack because of its compact design. It is made with non-toxic anodized aluminum, which is an excellent heat conductor and easy to maintain. A cleaning sponge that comes in a bundle offer can be used to clean the cookware. Finally, enjoy the great outdoors without second-guessing if you packed everything to cook and serve your next meal with a lightweight, compact, and mobile design of the camp kitchen set.